It's a strong seller's market due to low inventory and high buyer demand. When listings do hit the market, they usually get multiple offers within days and are sold over the asking price. If you're a property owner, should you sell now or wait? In this video, I will share some of the reasons why others are selling properties now, and after watching, you can decide whether you should sell now or wait. Hello, I'm Becky Park, a real estate broker in Southern California. We have half as many homes for sale now than we did a year ago, and coupled with close to historically low interest rates, there is an extreme demand to buy, causing dramatic price appreciation. Last month, one of my clients submitted an offer on a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, approximately 1,700 square foot single-family home in Torrance with an asking price of $799. After one weekend of showings, there were a total of 30 offers, and this property eventually sold for close to $950,000. Some may say that this is an isolated event, but when a neighbor considers selling their home, they will refer to this sold price to price their own. Therefore, the neighborhood home prices will no longer be in the high 700s, but will now be in the mid 900s. This steep appreciation is common in today's market. So, if you're a property owner, should you sell now or wait? There are many reasons why people decide to sell. Let's look at some of these reasons, and you can determine if any of these situations fit your needs. According to National Association of Realtors, about 14% of sellers sold their home because it was too small for them. As your families grow, you may seek more square footage or bigger home in better school district. In a strong seller's market like now, you should have no problem selling your current home. But as you become buyers trying to purchase your replacement home, you may face a bit of a challenge, as sellers of those properties may not accept your offer with a contingency on selling yours. One way of getting around this issue is to sell with a rent-back clause. As you contract to sell, you can ask the buyers to allow you to rent back after close of escrow for up to 3 months. This will allow you time to search, purchase, and close on a replacement before having to move out. Another reason why people sell their home is to move closer to friends and families. National Association of Realtors discloses that a typical age of a home seller is 56. As you plan out your retirement, you may want to move closer to your grown children or back to where most of your families are. If you're an older homeowner looking to move within California, you may benefit from tax basis transferability of Prop 19. Click on the video linked above for more information. You might have heard that there's an exodus from California. Due to the high living cost or a disagreement in political policies, some are choosing to move out of state. Home prices and living expenses may be cheaper, but there are those who have regretted their moves. If you're contemplating a move to a different state, do consider the weather, your distances to other family members, and the sense of community or friends that you'll have at your new place. In today's market, I also encounter many trust sales. In a trust sale, the homeowner is deceased and their heirs are selling. In the past, property tax was not reassessed with the passing of a homeowner. However, with California passing Prop 19, properties are reassessed to current value unless the heirs reside in them as their primary residence. If the property was in the family for decades and had a lower tax basis, then the increase in property tax is significant. It may make more financial sense to sell the property rather than keeping it. Lastly, there are people selling to take advantage of the 1031 exchanges. 1031 like-kind exchanges are an IRS code which allows you to avoid paying capital gains taxes. If you have a rental unit that you sold and used the proceeds to buy another rental of equal or greater value, then your capital gains taxes will be deferred. The Biden administration has recently proposed eliminating 1031 like-kind exchanges for investors and increasing the capital gains tax rate from 20% to 39.6%. As a result, some investors are proactively selling their investment property to avoid a higher capital gains tax rate. We have discussed some of the reasons why people are selling their properties now: upgrading to a larger home, moving closer to family and friends, emigrating to other states, trust sales, and 1031 exchanges. Are any of these your reasons wanting to sell? If so, then this may be a great time for you to sell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.